have not seen this particular standing order 121 B being effected by members of the Speaker's panel, because every single time, and the members who are notorious for these things are known, Mr. Speaker. We need at this particular point in time to cut out these frivolous points of orders, false points of orders that interrupt debate in this particular house. Some people are just here to shout points of order, and when they stand up, they have nothing to say, no content whatsoever.
Sifuna, before a member stands up on a point of order, how can the chair lead his mind?
That is not the point.
So
After
you
Mr.
must
Speaker,
raise his point of order, then the chair will rule.
Mr. Speaker, you have misunderstood me.
As I've done that,
you have misunderstood me, Mr. Speaker. You have misunderstood me. Understanding Order 121, understanding Order 121, there needs to be a time when a ruling is made that somebody is repeatedly making false points of orders. After you have determined that this point of order is frivolous and useless, what is the action that is taken? That is what we want to see, Mr. Speaker.
Sifuna, also, if you check on standing on, I think, 101, you can raise a motion in this House to discuss the conduct of another senator. Substantive motion. So you can have that, then we discuss them and put them in order. So you have that space to do that. So no point of order again. Finish me.
Mheshimiwa Speaker, nafikiri dakika zangu zilisimamishwa. Niko na kama dakika 15 bado. Mheshimiwa Speaker, nilikuwa nasema